Hi girls, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I'm sharing with you how to create this hijab look. I create this hijab look for everyday use. I hope you will enjoy this video and this video will be helpful for you girls. Now let's see the main video, and before watching this video don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up, put your comment in the comment box and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video, inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz.